English learners. You've just landed in your favorite English zone.
Step-by-Step English Podcast.
Where learning English meets real conversation and a little bit of fun for your brain.
Ooh, I like that. Fun for your brain. Wait, speaking of brains, Ben, you look a little lost in thought today.
I'm not lost. I'm stuck. I've been overthinking my entire morning.
Overthinking? What now? Breakfast or your hairstyle?
Both! I spent 10 minutes just deciding between coffee or tea. And I'm still not sure I made the right choice.
Oh no! 10 minutes for coffee? That's premium overthinking.
Exactly. My brain should start charging rent. There are way too many thoughts living there.
Perfect timing then, because today's episode is literally about that.
Oh yeah. How to stop overthinking and train your mind to think like the top 1%.
That sounds powerful. Calm mind, clear life.
And sharp English, too. But before we start training our minds, let's wake up those English brains with a mini-game.
Yes! The Jumbled Sentence Challenge.
The words are all mixed up, and you have to fix them.
Okay, here it comes. You English doors, new learning opens for.
Wait, what? Say that again slowly.
You English doors, new learning opens for.
Oh, that's so good. Deep and confusing at the same time.
Exactly. So your mission? Rearrange the words and write the correct sentence in the comments.
And no overthinking, okay? Go with your gut.
Let's see who gets it right first. We might shout out a few winners next time.
Okay, my brain's finally awake.
Same here. And hey, if your brain feels fresher now, that's your sign to subscribe.
Yeah, don't overthink it. Just click the button before your coffee gets cold.
And give this episode a like if you love learning English through real conversations, not boring lessons.
Oh, and don't go anywhere. Crystal's vocabulary breakdown is coming up later with words that'll blow your mind, in a good way.
All right, friends. Notebook ready? Brain ready?
Then let's jump into today's topic.
Stop overthinking and train your mind to think like the top 1%.
And hey, today's episode is in B1 English, so it's clear, natural, and easy to follow.
Yup. Real talk and smart English, the way we like it.
So tell me, what's the plan for today?
We're going through 6 powerful mind shifts that can help you stop overthinking and start thinking like the top 1%.
6? Whoa, that's a lot of wisdom in 1 cup of coffee.
Don't worry, we'll keep it fun, simple, and super useful for your English and your mindset.
So, let's start with the first mind shift. And this one's big.
Ooh, tell me.
It's called see the gray, not just black or white.
The all or nothing trap. Been there.
Yeah, same. It's like if I don't wake up at 6 a.m., my brain goes, well, the day's ruined.
Or when you skip one English practice and go, ugh, I'm the worst learner ever.
Exactly. That's black and white thinking. It makes everything feel like success or failure.
But life and learning isn't a light switch. It's more like a dimmer.
Oh, nice one. You can turn it up or down, not just on or off.
The top 1% don't say, I failed. They say, I failed and I learned something.
That's a real superpower, adding the word and.
Yup. Try it now. Instead of, I'm bad at English, say, I'm not perfect and I'm improving.
Oh, that already feels lighter.
See? Free therapy. English Leap style.
So next time your brain says either I speak perfectly or I should stay silent,
You tell it, nope, I'm learning and getting better.
that's how smart thinkers roll. They live in the middle, not the extremes.
So, your 1% move. Change one or to and today. You'll feel the difference.
And if you already did that in your head, you're ahead of the game. Comment it below.
All right, ready for the next one?
Oh, absolutely. What's coming next?
Okay, this one's a little twisty. We're calling it Think Backwards.
Think backwards. Like reading my notes upside down?
Not exactly. It means asking the opposite question.
Opposite question.
Yeah, most people ask, how can I succeed? The top 1% ask, what would make me fail?
Oh, that's clever. Like using your brain's reverse gear.
Right. For example, if you're learning English, ask, what things would stop my progress?
Easy. Skipping practice, overthinking grammar, waiting for the perfect time.
Yup. Once you know what blocks you, you just avoid it.
So instead of chasing perfection, you dodge the potholes. I like that.
Yeah. Less crash, more cruise.
And the cool part? It kills overthinking. Because you're not stuck planning every little thing. You just know what not to do.
Yes. And honestly, this works in English too.
How so?
Stop asking, how can I sound perfect? Ask, what habits make me sound stuck? Then fix those.
Like translating every word from your native language before speaking. Guilty!
Oh, yes. Or writing down every grammar rule before saying one sentence.
Been there, done that.
We all have. So your 1% move. Ask yourself, what would make me fail? And then do the opposite.
Think less, act smart. That's the move of a top 1% mind.
And the calm one, too.
Okay, I'm already feeling lighter. Like I just deleted 50 useless tabs in my brain.
Good, because that's what these mind shifts are for. Less noise, more clarity.
Clarity. My favorite word lately.
All right, next mind shift. And, oof, this one hits home.
Oh no, what now?
Don't stay stuck with a boring method just because you started it.
Uh-oh, I feel seen already.
Yeah, me too. You know when you keep using a method just because you've been doing it for ages?
Totally. Like when you buy a huge English course, and even if it's super boring, you force yourself to finish it because I already paid for it.
Or you've been memorizing endless word lists since forever, and you keep doing it even though it doesn't really work.
Right. We tell ourselves it's loyalty, but actually it's just being stuck.
So true. The top 1% aren't married to methods, they're married to progress.
Oh, that's good. We need that on a mug.
Seriously, though, if your current way of learning makes you hate English, it's not loyal, it's heavy.
Yeah, and here's a simple question to check. Ask yourself, if I were starting today, would I still use this method?
And if the answer is no, change it. Guilt-free.
Because letting go isn't quitting. It's creating space for something that actually works.
Your 1% move. Drop one study habit that feels like a chore and replace it with something that feels like progress.
Yep, time to divorce those old flashcards.
Or at least stop pretending you'll go back to them someday.
Yeah, those someday plans are just comfy lies we tell ourselves.
Which brings us perfectly to the next mind shift. Find your bottleneck.
My what now? Sounds like something in a factory.
Kinda is. A bottleneck is the one small thing that slows everything else down.
Like when one slow driver blocks the whole road.
Yeah, totally. And in learning English, it's that one thing holding you back.
Maybe for me, it's pronunciation. I know the words, but I hesitate to say them.
See, that's your bottleneck. For someone else, it might be fear of speaking or overthinking grammar.
Yeah, we often fix easy things first, like buying new books, watching videos. But the real problem stays.
Spot on. We polish the surface instead of repairing the engine.
That's such a good image. You can't fix your fluency by just cleaning your notebook.
Nope. The top 1% focus on the real problem, not the comfortable one.
That's gold. So, English learners, what's your bottleneck?
Comment it below and be honest. Is it fear, grammar, or maybe just scrolling too much?
No judgment. We've all been there.
Your 1% move. Fix one thing that truly slows you down, not 10 things that don't matter.
Focus beats busy every time.
I love that. Focus beats busy. That's a quote right there.
Put that on a t-shirt next to surf, don't sink.
Yes! The official English Leap collection coming soon.
We'll call it Calm Minds and Smart English.
Oh, that actually sounds like a great title. But speaking of calm minds, this next part might hurt a little.
Oh no, are we getting deep again?
Just a bit. The next mind shift is don't decide when you're emotional.
Oh wow, yeah. Easier said than done. I've sent some spicy emails I regretted 5 minutes later.
Haven't we all? When you're angry, stressed, or scared, your brain goes into drama mode. It wants relief, not clarity.
Right. When you're calm, you think. When you're emotional, you react.
I like that. I once told a student, never make an English decision when you're tired or frustrated.
What do you mean?
Like, they'd have a bad speaking day and say, I'll never learn this language.
Oh yeah, that's the classic overreaction. You trip once and suddenly it's the end of the world.
Yes. The top 1% take a breath. They wait. They only decide when they feel content, not stressed, not rushed.
So, your 1% move, if you feel emotional, pause. Don't decide, don't delete, don't drop. Just breathe.
Because clarity loves calm.
Wow, that sounded like a meditation app ad.
Maybe we're in the wrong business.
Yeah, maybe. But hey, let's not change careers just yet. Okay, last one. And I think this one separates the talkers from the doers.
Ooh, tell me.
Play the long game. The top 1% don't just work harder, they stay consistent longer.
Oh, yes. Most people give up the moment things get boring or hard.
Right. Your brain will say, it's not working, just because progress slowed.
But that's the moment you grow. You can't build fluency overnight. It's like growing a tree. You water it, care for it, wait for it.
Yeah, and the slowest week usually comes right before the biggest breakthrough.
So true. Keep showing up, even when it feels dull. That's where mastery hides.
I love that. Mastery hides in the boring days.
We're really full of quotes today.
Yeah, maybe we are the top 1% now.
Well, now it's your turn. Choose one English habit and keep it going for 30 days straight.
Because the winners aren't the fastest. They're the ones who stay in the race.
And that's how the top 1% think.
I love that. And speaking of smart thinking, it's time for everyone's favorite segment.
Yup, Crystal's Vocabulary Breakdown.
The part where big words become your best friends.
Take it away, Crystal.
Hey everyone, it's Crystal here, ready to help you understand some powerful words from today's episode. Let's jump right in. Overthink. Meaning, to think too much about something, often until it makes you feel stressed or confused. Example: I couldn't sleep because I kept overthinking my presentation. Ruin, meaning to destroy or spoil something completely. Example: don't let one small mistake ruin your whole day. Dimmer, meaning a switch that controls how bright a light is, used here as a metaphor for small changes. Example: learning isn't a light switch, it's a dimmer you can turn up slowly. Dodge, meaning to move quickly to avoid something. Example: you can't dodge every mistake. Some are meant to teach you. Potholes, meaning small holes in the road, used as a metaphor for problems or obstacles. Example: life has potholes, but you can still enjoy the drive. Cruise, meaning to move smoothly and calmly without much effort. Example: once you relax, you can cruise through your English conversations. Loyal, meaning staying faithful or supportive to something or someone. Example: don't be loyal to a method that no longer helps you grow. Guilt-free, meaning without feeling bad or ashamed. Example: change your learning style guilt-free. Progress matters more than pride. Bottleneck, meaning the main thing that slows down progress. Example: fear of speaking was my bottleneck in learning English. Breakthrough, meaning a big and important improvement after lots of effort. Example: speaking with confidence was my biggest breakthrough this year. And that's your vocabulary breakdown for today. Which of these words do you already use? And which one will you try this week? Tell us in the comments. I'd love to see your examples.
Thank you, Crystal.
As always, that was pure gold.
All right, English learners, remember, calm mind, smart English, and steady progress.
Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and keep growing.
Your progress doesn't end here. To continue advancing your English skills, click on the next video or explore the additional videos we've thoughtfully selected for you.